Hi there, my name is Brandon. I'm the new car manager of Mazda Fourways, proud member of the Hatfield Motor Group. We would like to welcome you to visit us for any vehicle requirements, new or used. Our team is standing by to assist you. Get in touch with our expert team at Mazda Fourways to assist you in your vehicle search. We are here to make sure that all your motoring needs are met quickly and effectively. Whether you are searching for a new or used vehicle or require vehicle servicing, we are here to help you. Thank you for choosing us, and we look forward to assisting you today.